How to add GIF in Capcut from Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add GIF in Capcut from your Pinterest app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, let me download a GIF from Pinterest. So I'm gonna download this GIF. So now I have downloaded this GIF. So now to add it, open your Capcut app. Then here tap on new project. Then here select photos. And here you will see GIF. Select it. Then tap on add here in the bottom right side. Then wait for it to add, and once it's added, if I play, you can see that this GIF is playing. And so this is how you can add GIF in Capcut from Pinterest. Thanks for watching.